Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great today. If you're looking for a third-party streaming app that lets you enjoy movies, TV shows, and live entertainment directly on your FireStick, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to talk about the StreamFlix app, a popular third-party application that many FireStick users are using to access entertainment without depending on traditional streaming subscriptions. StreamFlix is a lightweight but powerful streaming app that offers a wide range of content, including movies, TV series, and live channels. One of the main reasons StreamFlix has gained so much popularity is because of its clean interface, smooth playback, and fast navigation. Unlike many apps that feel slow, buggy, or overloaded with ads, StreamFlix keeps things simple and works really well on devices like the Amazon FireStick. Because StreamFlix is a third-party application, it is not available on the Amazon App Store. That's why many users get confused about how to install it the right way. Don't worry though, because in this video I'll guide you step by step through the complete installation process so you can get it running on your FireStick without any issues. Before we begin, just make sure your FireStick is connected to the internet and working properly. It's also recommended to keep your FireStick software updated for the best performance. To start, go to the FireStick home screen and navigate to the search option using your remote. Select the magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen and search for an app called Downloader. Downloader is an essential tool that allows us to install third-party apps on FireStick safely. Once you see Downloader in the search results, select it and download the app. Give it a few seconds to install on your device. After Downloader is installed, press the home button on your remote and go to Settings. From there, scroll down and open My Fire TV, then select Developer Options. Inside this menu, click on Install Unknown Apps and turn on permission for the Downloader app. This step is very important because it allows your FireStick to install third-party applications like StreamFlix. Now head back to the home screen and open your Apps section. Scroll all the way to the bottom because newly installed apps always appear there. Open the Downloader app, and when it launches for the first time, simply click OK to continue. You'll see a browser-style screen with a URL bar at the top. Click on that bar and enter the official StreamFlix download link provided by your service provider, then click Go. The StreamFlix file will now begin downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just be patient and let it finish completely. Once the download is done, the installation screen will appear automatically. Click Install and wait for the app to finish installing. After installation, select Done, and then delete the installation file to free up some storage space on your FireStick. Now go back to your Apps section and open the StreamFlix app. When you launch it for the first time, you'll be asked to log in using a username and password. These login details are usually provided by your service provider. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of the StreamFlix app. Inside the app, you'll find different sections for movies, TV shows, and live TV. You can browse through categories, search for your favorite content, and start streaming instantly. The app is very easy to use, even for beginners, and everything is organized in a way that makes navigation simple and smooth. For the best streaming experience, make sure your internet connection is stable. A slow or unstable connection can cause buffering, especially when watching HD content. It's also a good idea to use a reliable VPN when using third-party apps. A VPN helps protect your privacy, keeps your activity secure, and prevents your internet provider from tracking or throttling your connection. If StreamFlix is not working properly, don't worry. Most issues can be fixed by restarting your FireStick or clearing the app cache from the settings menu. Keeping your FireStick updated will also help the app run smoothly without errors. And that's it, guys. This is the correct and safe way to install and use the StreamFlix third-party app on your FireStick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.